Amongst the glorious goals today at the Cooperage Football Stadium, I have a very talented actor par excellence. I always call him that. He's been a terrific actor and most importantly, he's here to support Mumbai football in a massive way. Mohsin Khan in the house with me today. Mohsin, thank you so much for being here as always.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
From Wankhede Stadium to Cooperage Football Stadium. The journey has been terrific for you. How is it, Mohsin?
See, cricket has always been my love, my first love, my heart. फुटबॉल बहुत बाद में आया था हमारे करिकुलम में और हमारे स्कूल में इतना होता नहीं था, बट देन आई ऑलवेज लव्ड फुटबॉल एंड फुटबॉल इन बॉम्बे नाउ एंड इट्स going crazy. I'm loving the people who have come here, all the football lovers, kudos to them. And the Mumbai League is here, Harwood League is here, and it's the final match. So may the best team win.
Absolutely. Your father used to play football and he was a terrific footballer during his days. Mohsin, कभी लगा कि अगर मैं एक्टर नहीं बनूं तो कहीं क्रिकेटर या फुटबॉल बन सकूं?
क्रिकेटर का सपना था, हमेशा से सपना था कि क्रिकेटर बनूं. पेस बॉलर बनना था. ज़हीर खान साहब मेरे एक आइडल थे लाइफ के, और फुटबॉल का कभी सपना नहीं था, but I love watching it. I love the game. My friends love them. My अब्बा loves it. मैं अब्बा यहीं पे ये कुपरेज ग्राउंड में ही मेरे अब्बा खेलते थे, और वो नदीम अंकल who's sponsoring this event and Harwood League. So these guys used to play here, and so उनका पूरा एक nostalgia, इनकी memories है. तो यहीं पे आगे हम रहते थे पहले. तो yes, these guys have a lot of memory, and so especially I've got my dad here because I know that he loves the sport, and keeping our fingers crossed for the game. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Harwood League anyway has a huge name. It's been there since ages. You know it.
Yes. It's a 120-year plus legacy of Mumbai football, and you being a part of it, you know, it's historic for all of us together here. Mohsin, vibe कैसा लगा? Just, you know, when you entered and there's so many people just shouting out for you. पूरा vibe कैसा था?
Yeah, loving the vibe here, loving all the people, all the football lovers and the players right now. हमारे साथ श्याम थापा साहब थे, जो who is a legend himself, and he was here. Aditya Thackeray Saab, he felicitated the event, and kudos to everyone present, and the vibe, everything is just amazing. We need to be here more often. We need to see this league go head on with every other leagues out there, and yes, of course, इसके बाद जब बाकी कोलकाता टीम और सब सारी टीम के साथ जब होगा, and keeping our fingers crossed,
you'll be here for that for sure.
तब I'll be here, and तब I'll be cheering for Bombay.
True. And Mohsin, you know, हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि आप एक एक्टर की लाइफ में learning never stops. Footballers और sports personalities के लाइफ में also learning never stops. But what is that parallel you take as an actor with a sports personality, and you say, you know, this is my learning today?
Yeah, seeing all the sports players, I know these guys कितनी मेहनत करके आप पहुँचे होंगे, क्योंकि हम सब जब ट्राई करते थे क्रिकेट टीम में सिलेक्शन के लिए, और सब हम वो सारी टाइम याद है हमें, ट्रेन से जाना, किट्स वगैरह लेकर जाना, हमारे पापा, हम सब we would try for those teams, so we know all the thing, all the dreams that go behind it, the family that supports you and everything, so सारी चीज़ें इन्वॉल्व होती है. सेम वे जब आप the struggle in any field for that matter, जब आप एक्टिंग में करते हो तो वही होता है, ऑडिशंस होती है, सारी चीज़ें होती है. तो इट्स the only teaching that I felt over the last decade, I would say, is sticking to itiveness is something that I've learned in my school time, कि आपको रोज़ उठना है, रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करनी है, रोज़ वो काम करना है, रोज़ उस पर बेटर होने की कोशिश करना है. So I think it go follows for both, be it any sport or be it entertainment, any service industry for that
Absolutely. And Mohsin, you've been someone who never says no to anyone. Autograph dena ho ya pictures dena. I know how much people have just surrounded you today. You've never said no for a second also. And you've had such a successful song release right now. Abhi Dua Kijiye has been a terrific hit. So all the best for that. Thank you so much once again कि आप यहाँ आए, फुटबॉल को सपोर्ट किया, and hope to see you for so many more events of MFA.
Thank you.